Hi guys, it's Ray. Today we are going to talk about and do an unboxing. What is going on here? Of the collaboration between Butterfly Lane Designs and the Glitter Fetish website. I know I've showed it to you like 2 times in teaser pictures, but both products are finally here, so we're going to do an unboxing. This one has been hard to not open. I have been sitting on this for over a week now, so that's crazy for me. And then this one showed up in my mailbox today, so I'm so excited. This is a normal Butterfly Lane Designs box or package that I ordered, so I'm going to go through this first, and I will set the collaboration pieces aside, and then we will open this to go with it, so we can see how it's all going to work together. And then there will be a process of 3 separate tumblers using these products. So I am super excited for this. I hope to see Jessica do collaborations with Butterfly Lane Designs in the future, and I do believe that might be in the works. So, and hopefully Glitter Fetish is going to keep making this package to go with these, but I can't guarantee you that this is not going to be a limited edition set. So if you want this, go order it. It is reasonably priced, and we will get to that when I unbox this one. So I'm going to switch you around and we're going to get this opened. But first, I also wanted to say I love you all so much, and I appreciate the support so much. So I'm curious how many of you guys, I know some of you are YouTubers. I know I follow a lot of you, have subscribed to a lot of you. But I think there's more of you out there than I know about, or some of my other viewers don't know about. So I'm going to give you guys the chance in the comments down below to give yourself a shout out to whatever your social media is. If you're a YouTuber, put that there. And, you know, that way I can go subscribe to you. Even if you're not a craft channel, if you're like a vlog channel of some sort, I will go subscribe to you to give you the support that you've given me. I'm always looking for new things to watch. So down below, I don't use my TikTok a whole lot, but if you are a TikTok person, put your TikTok handle there too, and I will try and get to you over there. So this is your chance. If you want to promote yourself, do it down below. No affiliate links or anything, just if you're a store that sells something craft related, a YouTube, a TikTok, whatever, go ahead and put that down below. So if my viewers want to look and check you out or whatever. So I'm going to get you switched around, and we're going to get to the unboxing. Okay, first we're going to do Butterfly Lane Designs. There is some sweary content in here. So do be aware of that. I will try to hide it, but, you know, that's not always possible. So, because I did order some stuff to make a very specific cup as a gift. So, let me make sure everything is out. Okay, I'm going to sneak this aside for 1 second. Okay, I just wanted to pull the collaboration pieces out quick so we can go over those last. So this is the other part of my order. I'm going to go through all of these in a second, but these are the sweary ones. And this goes with these 2 vinyls. So, yeah, it's got a sweary word on it, but this is going to be a men's tumbler, so that's all going to go great together. So I'm just going to set that aside. I haven't decided if we're going to, I'd like to do that one on camera, so it'll come with like an adult content warning. But another sheet of the turtle vinyl, and I think I did. I got another of the ocean is filled with untamed magic decals, because this one sold really fast, so I want to be able to make another one. And I'm going to go through the decals. Being polite is exhausting. I thought that one was funny. Mama, mommy, mom, bruh. This will be a fun little leopard tumbler. I do normally print my own duck decals, but I did want to show that Jessica did have the Deer autocorrect. It's never duck. So we are going to finally do, now that I have all my beads that I needed and my duckies, we are going to do a duck mason jar very, very soon with this one and a cute topper to go with it. This one says dead inside, but it's summer. Yep, I talked to chickens. And I included the 2 of these that I had left in my 2 mystery packages for my giveaway. So I wanted to restock her because I absolutely love this one and this one. So yeah, I needed those. And I have the vinyls that go with this, and I didn't think I had any of the decals. And then when I went through my decals, I found out that I did. So now I have a spare one of this that take time to make your soul happy. This is why I need to get better organized because, you know. And then there are these 2 retro vintage decals. Let's roll. This one takes me right back to my childhood. We spent like every Friday night at the roller rinks. Like one of the parents would bring us all there and drop us off, and one of the parents would come pick us back up. And then I just thought this one was cool with no text, but this obviously goes with this vinyl. I have not decided if I am keeping this for myself or not. I may very well. This is the small print of this roller skate one. And then this is the small print of the matching vinyl for this. You can see it's marked small. And then I did get just a piece of chicken vinyl to go with this one. And this is also the smaller print. So that was the regular order. And I'm just setting the decals with the matches for now. So let's get into the collaboration. Ta-da! Jessica put these 2 vinyls up. And I think they are absolutely gorgeous. We have the black background, Be Kind, and the white background, Be Kind. I did go with the small print. I'm finding I like the small prints better than a medium or a large. So unless it's a really tiny print, for the most part, that's what you're going to see me going with from now on. And then I got 3 of the Be Kind decal that matches it perfectly. I think these are just so adorable. So we're going to make 3 tumblers. We're going to do one with just the white vinyl, one with the black vinyl, and then on the 3rd one we're going to combine the 2 vinyls. Because this is very directional, I haven't decided yet exactly what my method is going to be, but I'd really like to do the 2 of them as a diamond pattern, so. But I will be getting to that. I don't know where I'm going with these. I'll bring them back in a minute. So this is the Glitter Fetish package. And this was $18. There are 7 1-ounce glitters in here. There is a coupon code for Glitter Fetish through Butterfly Lane Designs. The code is simply BLD. So put that in at checkout. And if you're ordering from Butterfly Lane Designs, my link for her is down below and my code for her is down below. So here we go. Put this aside. Let's see. A couple little goodies in here. We got some Tootsie Rolls. Them to my Crafty Room candy stash. This package is happy to see you too. Thank you. There's a little nail tape in here, which says bonus from Doc. That's the owner of the website. That's a really pretty iridescent yellow. And then this is just a tiny little sample in a medicine, a pill capsule. And it says KYR Royal, so I'm assuming that's the glitter color. That's kind of a clever way of sending a sample. I love it. But here are the 7 glitters. It says, Be Kind Butterfly Lane Designs collaboration. If you go to Glitter Fetish's website, which I will link down below, and you just put butterfly in the keyword search, it will bring this right up. So these are 1 ounce bags, and there are 7 of them. 6 of them are fine glitters. 1 is a chunky mix. And I will go through the colors. For the yellow, we have Here Comes the Sun. The purple is Grape Ape. The pink is Love Shack. The blue is Blow Pop. Then we have Oompa Loompa for the orange. And Bell Bottoms for the green. And then Graffiti is this chunky mix, which has some irregular cuts in it. And all kinds of stuff that's cool going on. So, those are our glitters. And it does say that they are all opalescents. So these will all actually work really well together. You're not going to have one that looks like flat next to an opal. So let's bring these back in so we can see it all together. This is very cool. It has like every single color in it. Let's do it like this so we can see it all next to both. She did a, I gotta pull these this way, can't see my purple. She did a phenomenal job picking these 6 colors to match these perfectly. I mean, it's outstanding. So, like I said, get out there, get your set ordered if you want it, because these colors are stunning. They're all very bright neons, which I don't have a lot of anyways, so this is perfect, not just for these, but for future use. And the decal and the vinyls from Butterfly Lane Designs, you can find them in the, you can search just Be Kind and it'll come up. Or you can go to the It's a Match section at the very bottom of the vinyl category and it'll be right there. It's one of the top ones shown. So, Butterfly Lane Designs, Glitter Fetish, links will be down below. And 3 cups using these will be coming. I actually planned well ahead and made sure I had everything I needed. So, yay! I am going to try to use all 6 of these glitters. Maybe the chunky mix. But I'm not fully committed to, well, you know what? I'll probably use the chunky mix too. But across these 3 cups. I haven't figured out how yet exactly. But that is all of them. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you've ordered this set. And if you have and you're using it, come to my Facebook group, come to Jessica's Facebook group, and share what you've done with them. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Real quick, I wasn't done. I wanted to mention that Glitter Fetish has a ton of other product. Obviously, they have glitter, but they have so much other stuff. So if you have some time, go ahead and like poke around her website and see what else she offers, because it's a lot. So we will probably have a Glitter Fetish order in the future. But that is it. I'm really done now, and I will see you next time.